Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at this ethanol tabletop fire pit by Brian and Danny. Let's open it up and check it out. So this is everything that's included in the box. And then we have the fire pit itself. It's lightweight, but it feels nice and sturdy and durable. You can see we have a nice center ring here for the fire piece. Pebbles are gonna go around the side. And then you can even see it's got some special little, I don't know, fluted sides or some ridges that go up and down. So we have a nice little bit of detail and then a nice smooth texture all the way around. And then all we have to add is a little bit of biofuel. This isn't included, but it's easy to find. And you're just gonna fill it up right in here. So as you can see here, we've got this real nice, beautiful looking fire pit. It takes a minute for it just to get going, but once it does, it really starts to set the mood and the stage. And the best part is that it's so lightweight, compact, and portable that you're gonna be able to use this in a variety of different places, whether that's in your dinner dining room. Maybe you wanna take it out to the back patio for a little romantic ambiance type of night. So if you're looking for an affordable, amazing looking little fire pit, whether that's as a gift for somebody or for personal use, then this is definitely the thing that you're gonna wanna check out.